Hello, grade 2. It is time for us to practice our mapping skills in social studies. Our mapping skills are helping us to understand how maps can help us to get from one place to the other, to find our place, to help us to explore and care for God's world. We need to practice our direction words today. That's our cardinal directions. Remember our north, south, east, west. Never eat sour worms. And you will need, for our practice today, 2 of your printouts or 2 of your papers that maybe you're using an online source. Good for you, but you are welcome to use the printouts today. The first one you need is the map of a town in Saskatchewan. And this is the second one you need. The other one you need is the map of a town in Nova Scotia, both Canadian provinces. Once you have those handy, we're ready to go. So let me just share my screen with you and explain our activities for today. So the first one you need is your map of Saskatchewan. This is a town called Saskatoon. For this map, you will need to really pay attention to the compass rose that's in the corner. Can you see that in the corner? Maybe my picture of the little video, the little mini Mrs. Bosch is covering part of it. I hope you can see it well enough. Maybe I can make it a little bit smaller. Is that better? Maybe. All right, so in the corner of your map, you will see north and opposite of that, south, over on the right, east, and over on the left, west. This is the compass rose showing the cardinal directions. All right, it says, let's practice using directions on a map of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. What you need to do is look at this map, a mini map of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, and answer the questions that are there. Let's see. Number 1, start at King George School. So find the school symbol, the symbol of a school that is labeled King George School. Did you find it? Point to it. Put your finger right on where it says King George School. Go to the South Saskatchewan River. So travel your finger from King George School to South Saskatchewan River. What direction did your finger go? Did it go north, east, south, or west? Don't say it out loud. If you say it out loud, then your desk partner might hear your answer. Oh yeah, we're not at school. We're at remote school. So go ahead and say it out loud. Number 2, start at Midtown Plaza. Go, did you put your finger on Midtown Plaza? Find Midtown Plaza. Go to the water treatment plant. Water treatment plant is where they turn all the water into clean water. They put it through the, which direction did you go? Did you go north, south, east, or west? Print your answer on the line. Number 3, start at Kilburn Park. Did you find Kilburn Park? Go to Midtown Plaza. That's where you can go shopping. What direction did you go? Did you go north, east, south, or west? Not direct, but Which is the one that makes the most sense? Number 4, start at the co-op gas bar. That's where you can get some gas. Do you find it? All right, put your finger on it. Go to the Canadian Western Bank. What direction did your finger go? All right, make sure you print all of your answers on that page, and then you're ready for the next page. We need to do something a little bit different on this next activity practice page. We're practicing our mapping skills, and on this practice page, we're going to be practicing the mapping skill called symbols. Let's read this top part together. Maps have symbols on them. A symbol is a simple picture. The symbols are on a key. This helps you read a map. Directions. Use the map key to label this neighborhood in Metighan, Nova Scotia. I don't know if I said that correctly. That's just my guess. Okay, on this map, you will see some symbols. A symbol is a simple picture to represent a real thing of a landform or a landmark that is in the map zone. A map key tells what each symbol represents, what it stands for. Use the map key on the right, the bottom right of your map, to label this neighborhood. So do you see that there's a rectangle that has an empty space in it? That's where you need to put the words for matching each of these symbols. So find the symbol on the map, look to see where the rectangle is that's closest to it, and label it in that box. So print the word that's in that box. Some of the words are longer, so you will have to use smaller letters. Labeling a map is really important, a really important skill. It helps so that you can understand what is on the map. For labeling a map, you must use a regular pencil, not a crayon or any other kind of color. You must use a pencil, and you must print the words as neatly as you can. All right, that's what you need to do today. So this is like a matching activity. Do you like matching games? I like matching games. There's someone in my family who is a superstar at matching games. We just can't win against them. They're always so good. Anyways, enjoy your social studies activity today. Do your best. Have a great day.